Okay, so let us treat this particular problem on AdSense account. So you're gonna have to log into your AdSense account to copy the code. So this is definitely a new AdSense account. So I woke up this morning, logged in to check my earnings, and then I found out earnings at risk. One or more of your sites does not have an ads.txt file. Fix this now to avoid a severe impact on your revenue. So this is what you're going to do. Okay, you click on learn more. Okay, then take your time to read everything here. Okay, authorized digital sellers of ads.txt is an AIB initiative that helps ensure that your digital ad inventory is only sold through sellers such as AdSense. Okay, so this is blah blah blah, but the reason why you're here is to just solve the issue so your earnings wouldn't be affected. So you have to copy this code. Okay, that's the first thing you have to do. Then you go to your notepad. Okay, paste this on your notepad. Then you have to replace this 00000 with your AdSense publisher ID. Okay, let me show you how you get that. Okay, so you go back to your AdSense and then you click accounts. This is how you get your publisher ID. Okay, here is your publisher ID. So you have to copy this. Copy and go back to your notepad. Then you have to place this. Ctrl V is replaced. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is to copy this. Okay, copy this. Then you have to go to your websites. In my own case, I own dvdnews.com. Okay, so you're gonna log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna log in as a site admin. Okay, log in. Okay, so when you get to this place, you're gonna have to introduce the code you copied from AdSense. Okay, to your website. Okay, the way you're going to do that is to copy it and introduce it to your website using a plugin. Okay, so you're going to download this plugin and you go to plugins, you add new. Okay, so you're going to download, install to your WordPress admin and dashboard ads.txt manager. Okay, this is the plugins you're going to look for. Okay, this is it. So you have to install. Okay, activate. We have to wait for it to activate. Okay, activation done. So you now have to go search for it. Okay, add text. To get it, you get to your settings. You find it here. This is add text. That is the plugins we just installed. Okay, so this is it. Just paste the code you copied from your AdSense account and then you paste it here. Okay, so this is the code. After you're done, you have to do what? Okay, after you're done, you have to save. ads.txt saved. So you're done. Note that this isn't going to begin to function immediately. It should take 1 or 2 days, okay, to start functioning properly. Okay, so this is how you get it down. If you don't have if you're not a tech savvy like me, you're gonna have to use a plugins ads.txt manager. Download that and then paste that code, okay, you got from your AdSense, and then save. Once you save, the issue is done. Okay, so it's going to take 1 to 2 days to begin to work properly. So thank you. If you love this video, I wanted to take just 1 second to click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to punch or push the little bell so you can get notifications whenever I post a good video like this one. Thank you for watching.